guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you are all good and doing well. Today's video is one brand makeup tutorial. And I am using all Maybelline products for this tutorial. So now let's get started. I am applying her moisturizer. Then I am using foundation, Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in shade 322 Warm Honey. I am using concealer, Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 Medium. I am using loose powder to set my concealer. It is not from Maybelline. Now I am using eyeshadow, Maybelline New York Diamond Glow by Eye Studio in shade 02 Wine Pink. Now I am applying eyeliner. I am using Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner. Maybelline Colossal kajal on my lower lashes. I am using Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. I am applying it on my upper and lower lashes. am taking off my loose powder. I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Face Powder in shade 330 Toffee. I am using blusher, but it is not from Maybelline, it is from Oriflame and in shade Pretty Pink. It's time for lips, and I am using Maybelline New York Lip Gradation in shade Red 02. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.